The overall performance of the economy of any state best reflects the efficacy of its policies and the way they are executed. For the sake of governance and improved policy discourse, please subscribe to our channel and share the videos widely. As far as overall economy of West Bengal is concerned, we can look at the changes that have taken place with respect to some of the macroeconomic indicators of the state. After a long period of industrial stagnation, the left front started industrial revival of West Bengal after 1994 and also started to focus upon infrastructure development, as a result of which the economy seems to be thriving in the new millennium and also provided much inertia for prolonged period of growth. TMC government cannot be totally credited for the improved performance, as reforms were already emplaced earlier. But at least their government continued with the vigor and provided the required stimulus to the economy. So let's compare the performance of the TMC government with the previous regime, as also the performance of all India level overall. The gross state domestic product, or the size of the economy, increased by 55% during the CPIM rule from 2004-05 to 2011-12. But under the TMC regime, the rate of increase of the product or size of the economy has slightly slowed down, though still maintained at a decent level with an increase of 42.1%. Better performance of agriculture has already been explained in another video of Ping, and better industrial performance is largely because of due focus on infrastructural development, continued business-friendly policies and adoption of new policies, as will be discussed in a separate video on industries. The slight decline in the rate of increase of the economy seems largely because of relatively slow growth in the service sector. Also, though the incumbent state government has given adequate attention to infrastructure, but somehow the performance has slightly dipped in comparison to CPIM. Let us look at the key areas as far as infrastructure is concerned. As far as installed capacity of power is concerned, it increased by 54.14% during CPIM's time, where it increased by only 23.33% during TMC's regime. And looking at the overall length of roads, where there was increase in road length by 53.33% under CPIM's regime, it increased by only 7.6% under the TMC. Relative decline in rate of growth of infrastructure sector is obviously because of stagnation that had come because already a strong base was created by the previous regime, that sustaining it seems to be good enough for the incumbent government. Looking at the fiscal situation of the state government, that indicates how well government is controlling or meeting its expenditures. It is evident that the government under TMC has been able to manage the situation better than its predecessor, CPIM, and also with respect to the situation overall in India, where the increase in state gross fiscal deficit under left rule from 2004-05 to 2011-12 was 66.2% in West Bengal, when India's figure during the same time shows an increase of 57.2%. Under the TMC rule from 2011-12 to 2018-19, it increased by 53.95% in West Bengal, where the corresponding situation was much worse for India overall, where it increased by 221.7% from 2011 to 2018-19. Now let us look at the broad price level in the economy. In 2014-15, West Bengal's inflation figure was 5.4% in comparison to 5.9% for all India. And in 2019-20, it reduced to 4.6%, following the all India trend as well. Overall, price level increase in West Bengal is lower than that of national aggregate. And finally, we can also focus on the levels of unemployment in the state. Looking at the figure of usual status adjusted rural employment, including both male and female, where the unemployment was rising at 8% in West Bengal under CPIM, when it remained standstill for India overall in the same time, it increased by 29.6% in West Bengal under TMC, where it increased at an alarming rate of 194.1% at all India level. It is quite surprising that with respect to rural female unemployment, West Bengal seems not following the all India trend. Under TMC regime, there has been a 41.67% fall in unemployment, from 2011-12 to 2018-19, though for India as a whole it increased by 105.8%. This clearly reflects that the leadership of a woman chief minister makes difference for sure as far as status of women is concerned.